Hello friends, today's topic is another string function that is called the strncat function. So strncat function is basically quite similar to the strcat function which we described in one of the previous videos, but strncat function has a little bit of difference. There is a subtlety in it that it concatenates the second string to the first string by the means of another third argument supplied to the function, which gives a number, which helps us to give a number, and that number is the number of characters from the beginning of the second string to be added to be appended to, or to be concatenated to the first string. So let me write this general syntax of that function so that you can just understand what I am trying to say. That is strncat, and the previous one was strcat. So there is a difference in name. It takes two arguments, and it takes three arguments. What are the three arguments? The target string, the source string, and a number. Suppose the number can be, suppose the number can be 4 or 3 or anything. That is the source string. That is, if this is the string, target is the string, and source is the string, then what is to be appended to target? This one, this one, this one, and this one. That is up to SOUR, because I have written 4 over here. If I would have written 2 over here, then SO would have been added to this target. So this is the concept of strncat function. This is also included in the header file string.h. So in order to use this function or implement this function in the C programming scenario, we have to include the string.h header file at the beginning of the program. So let's get started with writing a very simple program, which is an illustrative program to show you the implementation of strncat function, so as to give you a proper understanding of how it is applied in C programming. So first we will take hash include std io.h hash include string.h. Because we are going to use the function strncat, we have to include this header file string.h. Then comes the int main section, and after that we will declare two arrays, two strings rather. Suppose the string can be taken as char t, which is suppose 50, another is s, suppose this is 25, and suppose I give a number n to this to the variable, to an integer variable, but it should be an integer variable. It should not be written over here. Sorry for that. Int n should be the number which is to be supplied by the user, which will be applied as the third argument or the third parameter to the strncat function. So this is the third variable. So 3 variables, 2 strings, and 1 integer variable is supplied from the is declared in the main section. So now I will give a prompt to the user, printf, enter the target string, get s, t, printf, enter the source string, new line, then get s, then I will take this integer variable from the user as an input, because the user will give how many letters of the source string is to be concatenated to the target string. So let's write another printf statement which says that enter how many characters to be added. So user will give scanf %d %n. Now we'll do what? We'll just call this function strncat. strncat, t is the target string, s is the source string. So the base addresses of the target string and the source string are supplied as the first and the second arguments, and the third argument will be the n, which is supplied by the user. So after that we will print the target string. Put s, target string is t, put st, then return 0, and then the main section ends by the closing brace. So what I have done over here, suppose we will give a few simple sample values in order to make you understand what we have done over here. Suppose the user gives the target string to be something like say suppose hello. So, and the source string user gives, this is the target string. The source string given by the user is, say, suppose world. Now we can see this, that the target string is hello and the source string is world. And if the user gives an n value of say suppose n value is supplied by the user as 2, then what will be the output of the program? The output will be the target string hello will be concatenated with the first 2 letters of this source string. So source strings WO is to be added or appended or concatenated to this hello to give you the final target string as HELLO WO without any spaces, because I have not kept any spaces in between. So if you think that if you want to just keep some space in between, then you have to keep a blank space over here after this hello, or maybe before this W, so as to incorporate one space in between these 2 portions, hello and WO. So I didn't keep any sort of blank spaces. So this will be, the target string will be updated to this string, and the output, that is put st, will print this one as an output to this program. So this is nothing but the explanation of the strncat function. And if you have any doubts or queries relating to this strncat function, you can post your doubts or queries in the comment section so that I can address them. Thanks for watching my video.